Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. I am trying to throw a little bit of something for everyone out there. So, some non phone, some phone customer service jobs, things like that. So, please, if you have any specific thing you're looking for, feel free to leave that in the comments because I do read those and keep that in mind when I am searching for job leads to share. Today's job lead is going to involve some phone work. The American Red Cross is hiring a call center blood scheduler. Now, this is remote for the United States, but it is basically just how it sounds. They're looking for somebody to schedule prospective blood donors from a variety of sources by phoning the individuals or making outbound phone calls to them to make those donation appointments. You'll contact active or former blood donors to increase both the frequency of their donations and the number of donors at the chapter offices or blood drives to meet the American Red Cross's collection goals. You'll also help coordinate reminder calls and follow-ups, login of data and maintenance records, making sure that those blood donors know when their appointments are. You'll follow a process and appropriate scripting for conducting a call with a donor. So they are going to give you some kind of script to kind of read off of and follow. You're not going to go in blindly just having to make up the words that are coming out of your mouth all on your own. You'll contribute to a friendly and fun environment, so you will have to work sometimes with your coworkers and teammates internally. Now, if you don't mind making outbound phone calls and getting people set up for those blood donation appointments, they're specifically looking for somebody to work Tuesday through Saturday, so a weekend day is going to be required, 11 a.m. to 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. If you're outside of that time zone, you'll have to convert your time zone to see if that works for you. They are paying $15.50 an hour. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree, just a high school diploma or GED, somebody who's 1 year of telephone or customer service experience. Someone who has experience meeting some kind of sales quota is preferred but not required. You do have to have computer experience, somebody who can navigate a computer well, and some problem solving skills. Now, above the pay, they do offer a standard benefit package that includes medical, dental, vision, paid time off, and 401k. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave anything specific that you're looking for in the comments. Again, I do read those and keep that in mind. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.